Resort Village. Yeah, this is Eagle's Nest. Yeah.
It's hard to like gauge
Hard to
what's
tell.
a bounce and what's a bite. Oh, he just pulled big time.
Yeah, it's gonna be a system we kind of have to try and figure out. Having hits, you think?
I don't know what it is.
Okay, now I'm ticking the bottom.
It's supposed to feel like a constant pull with like a more pull, right?
Yeah. I think it's normal, it's such a heavy weight.
Yeah.
Drifts back and forth. As long as you feel a tick once in a while, I think you're good.
I don't really feel like a tick, I just feel like a more of a pull. Like you feel something's catching.
You should feel a tick.
Yeah?
You should let out more line, I think. As long as it's not like dragging, you know? But you should feel like it touching something, like a tick. Hammering it. The floodgates are open, man. Another beauty. One more for dinner. Should be good.
On the black thing, eh?
Yeah. Tiny little guy.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
No wonder I didn't notice him. I just seen my rod heaving over. I'm like, oh, there's probably something there, but I'm gonna do this and that till I check. But a fish is a fish. Look at that little bugger.
Oh.
Yeah.
What are you running? Bottom back there, right?
Just this black
Spinner.
leech spinner. I'm just going for the leech look, you know, all the way with everything I do. The subtle presentation worked this morning. Well, my old spinner worked. Anything probably works. Yeah. Okay, marked it. Well, I marked it, but he's been on for how long?
Yeah, we're close.
Whatever,
So
yeah.
within like a
Get the idea.
distance.
Should we keep going that way or sweep back too? Yeah, because almost to that point is where you caught that. We caught the sauger too. It's like a sauger area up there. It seems like.
You're going all the way to the point there?
Yeah, and then we'll come back.
Come back.
And then go back again.
Before the bridge, we'll turn around and then go back, and then we'll go all the way to the. Unless the fishing is amazing. Then we'll
Yeah.
go to your spot that you want to go to.
Yeah, then once we've spent a little time, we'll just rip all the way down the whole river. Nice, on the camera. Cool, little bugger. I got one on too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We didn't even check.
Cool. Oh, I think mine got off. Or did it? Maybe just a little guy too, yeah. Pliers.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, this one's a little bigger. Maybe it's a jack.
Yeah, a little bit?
I think it's a pike.
Huh?
I think it might be a pike. Yeah, it is. Yeah. No, nothing big. Little guy. Yeah. Bottom bouncies is sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Got him with a stinger too. See?
Yeah.
Should we keep him?
I don't know, it's up to you. Yeah, throw him back.
Yeah. We're not that far from the boat. Should we caught fish bottom mounts?
Hey.
At least now we have faith in it, you know?
Yeah.
That was nearly a
We did
double
it.
header.
It is. If we would have been braided drinking, we could have caught it at the same time probably.
My leech is still on too.
Who knows when those things hit? Just the tiniest little head shakes.
That was a little tiny
I was
walleye.
like, that's gotta be a fish. And there's no way the weight's like whipping around like that. And they'd be like, yeah, we finally did what you said for an extended period of time and it worked.
Yeah, we did it for more than 5 minutes. And it worked.
I'm done.
Huh?
I was reaching all around the back of it when it's on the front. And I knew that.
Nice.
Dick on his shoulder.
Ah. Look how thick this is. Can't feel that little guy.
Oh,
Going on?
some kind of lunkers down there.
Nice.
Yep, we got a fish.
Okay.
Heavy one, dude.
Nice.
Heavier than the last one for sure.
Beautiful. Nice. It's a decent walleye.
Yep.
Where's that a sauger?
You're ugly looking.
That is a sauger. It's a pretty big sauger.
Yeah, that's not a walleye?
If it has those black spots,
Yeah.
blotches, especially in the fin, yeah. I think that's
Cool.
a
I've
sauger.
never caught one.
Yeah.
Don't even know
New
what
species.
New
Just a,
species day. Buddy,
let's measure
are
it.
we happy now?
Yeah, it is a sauger.
Yeah.
That's a big sauger.
What are you trying, please?
Yeah. That's behind you, so just watch out. Just watch out the lumpboards popped up behind you. Fat little guy.
Try to be a
A little,
bit.
but put him on the board. He is 19.
Oh, he's moving here. Ow! Ow! You can't swim over there, bro. Chill out. Chill out. Mouth is closed. 19 and a quarter at most.
19 and a half. Or 50 centimeters. Should we keep him?
Yeah.
Yeah? No? Okay.
Can we keep them? Oh. Yeah, they're too big. They're too small.
No, he's not too big or too small.
Oh, now you want to see him. You're dazed. Evening fight is on.
I put leech back on.
Huh?
I was just trying minnows. I had 2 minnows on there when he took. Trying that out.
Gonna catch a 16-pound sauger.
Yeah. That'd be like a world record sauger. I don't think they get as big as walleye.
No?
No. Like
So
that
one I caught was
19-incher.
actually probably, oh,
That's a pretty big sauger.
every time I see you rod like that, I've been thinking, oh.
We should Google trophy sauger.
Choky sauger?
Trophy sauger.
Oh. I was thinking,
Choky sauger.
what is this other name you're throwing in here now? These fucking things I don't know about.
So weird, like it's the North Saskatchewan River. You think there'd be like a ton of other species in here, other than just sauger, walleye, and pike.
It probably is. It's just really hard to find them. Maybe on the other side of the dam.
Yeah. My turn, I guess. Feels like the bigger one I was caught today.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sauger.
Sauger?
The first sauger.
Oh, that's Sauger Alley right there.
Yeah.
Another boat here.
Nice. They're so cool. Gold and black camo.
Yeah. Got any other spinners?
Maybe one random old black one on the top of this one. You lost faith in that spinner or what?